Bryant, thank you for joining us here at 11. Our special report in just a moment, but we want to begin tonight with breaking news. A Nevada Highway Patrol officer responding to a bomb threat in Spanish Springs has been seriously injured in an accident. We go live now to KOLO 8's Joe Harrington. He joins us from Pyramid Highway with details tonight. Joe?
Well, Pat, this accident happened out here just around an hour ago. We want to go in and show you one of the vehicles that was involved. Apparently, this tan SUV, the other vehicle, an NHP Cruiser, and as you mentioned, the officer that was driving that cruiser has been rushed to Renown Regional Medical Center. Apparently, officers here on the scene telling me that her injuries appear to be quite severe, that she was not doing well at all out here on the scene. We know that her vehicle, we're going to show you some video we shot just a short time ago, apparently looked to have an impact right to the driver's side door. That door may even, in fact, be missing. They did remove her from that vehicle. It appeared to me that they were doing some chest compressions, some resuscitation efforts here on the scene. We did have a report come across that they were having trouble finding her pulse. As soon as that report came across police radio, police from Sparks Police Department, the Sparks Fire Department, Washoe County Sheriff's Office rushed out here to the scene. Now, again, she was taken away by REMSA to Renown with lights and sirens flashing, apparently a very severe situation. We aren't identifying this officer at this time. Now, the person in the other vehicle involved in this crash apparently also sustained some injuries. We don't know what those are right now. We know that part of Sparks Boulevard, the area that you're looking at right now, is the intersection of Sparks Boulevard and Pyramid Highway, has been closed down. This whole area has been closed down. It did look to me that they were letting a few people go through on Pyramid Highway, but Sparks Boulevard traffic is being diverted. Right now you can see there's not many cars lined up here, so perhaps a road closure further down. If you are trying to get in and out of Spanish Springs tonight, you are going to have a very difficult time doing it. You can see just the sheer number of officers that responded to this crash, just to give you an idea of how severe it was. And again, we don't have this confirmed, but we do know from preliminary reports that this officer may have been responding to an incident further down the road, rushing there, trying to get to the scene when this accident occurred. Pat?
Now, Joe, those two vehicles are very far apart. Is that the location that they were when you arrived there, or have they moved them aside?
They were at those locations, actually. We don't know if they were moved aside. We do think that this accident apparently happened around 10 o'clock tonight. The tan SUV, I don't know how great of a perspective you can get from here, has really severe damage as well, in addition to that NHP Cruiser you saw that just had amazing damage to the front driver's side there, right where this officer, apparently a female NHP officer, was sitting, and her situation obviously very, very concerning to everyone here on the scene tonight. Again, being described to me by officers here that she was not doing well.
All right, Joe Harrington reporting live to us tonight from Spanish Springs.